I've made this off camera so that I can, video when I'm making the letter N, because I just want to put this under my tree. So I'm going to be making spelling Noel. Guys, living with kids at home. See what Jaden has done. See, Jaden has scattered everything. See, Jaden will come and chook his leg inside this thing. See how he has turned this one. See, he's using it to be driving car. See guys, see, don't chook in legs, scatter the whole thing. So that means I have to be repairing this thing every day. I just did not want to cover this top because I'm like, it's a waste of carton. I use carton a whole lot for my craft, so I'm like, it's a waste of carton. Let me just use this paper to cover it. See, live with boys. You want a baby boy? Who be that pastor we talking? See my life. I'm gonna be making use of this carton, Indomie noodles carton here, red paper. I'm going to be wrapping that up. So I'm going to be wrapping it up for 1, 2, for the 3 side. I'm not going to be wrapping it in this bag because actually it's going to be the bag, and because I want to make use of this paper. So I'm just gonna do. Hey guys, my hot glue gun just exploded on me. God forbid, not on me, on his head. Just exploded. So we are switching gear. I'm making use of UHU gun. I don't like making use of UHU gum because it takes a longer time to dry up. But I have to do this. So at least thank God I have UHU gum in the house. If I did not have UHU gum in the house, what I would do? I have no idea. So anyway, oh my Lord. So I'm just gonna go ahead and wrap it. Wrap it. Oh God, I'm doing this thing different from how I did the other one. I'm supposed to cover the up. God. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap that all the way through, and I'll get back. I'm gonna cut off the extra.
Winter time and sky is bright, no snow in sight. Shorts and sandals always bright, even in the night. We have a fun in the Christmas sun. Palm trees swaying, carols sung, friends all together, warmth we share in the air and in hearts everywhere. Santa's tired of cold weather ready. Watch it sunny. Hop up on Rudolph, sick of snow. Jack Frost told me that he wants a tan, and even the Grinch will have fun. It's Christmas in the sun. Heavy sun, not heavy coats. Time to raise a toast. I want to wish from the bottom of my heart a season of hope. Let's have all fun in the Christmas sun. Yuletide laughter for everyone, singing and dancing.
So guys, as you can see, I'm done wrapping the cartons. And please, when you want to wrap yours, if you're using the same carton I'm using, please make sure to wrap the top part first before you wrap all round. I made that mistake because I was distracted when filming this video, so I had to go borrow hot glue gun from my friend that's living around me. So this is her hot glue gun. So after wrapping the paper, all I did was cut a strip of black card and wrap it all around. I'm just making it look like a present, kind of. So just added hot glue gun on both sides, and I saw that the middle side was not staying well, so I just added a dab of hot glue gun. You see why I love hot glue guns? Like, it dries up very fast. Next, I'm going to be adding a gold effect in the middle of the card, and then I place my letter N. So I'm using this gold glitter foam sheet. It already has gum behind it, so I just peeled off the sticker and placed it in the middle, and then I also attached my letter N. And I want to say a very big shout out to my hubby who drew out the letters for me. Letter N-O-E-L. He did everything. Like, we're all creative in this house. It's in the blood. And voila. So you could do this in place of a Christmas tree skirt. We don't have a Christmas tree skirt like I don't have it, so I decided to just use this. And you can also use this method to wrap gifts if you want. You can put a gift inside and then wrap it up like that. Because I'm not yet gotten the gifts, because my daughter is already crying like she wants to unwrap gifts under the tree. I just look at what can I say, this stupid era they find gifts. Okay. But anyway, that's how it's looking, and as you can see, this is how it's all looking under the tree, looking so beautiful. Like, it just it popped out the tree so well. I loved it. I love it. What do you think? Are you gonna try it out? Do you have any old noodle cartons like I do laying around the house? Just try it out. It might not be as long as mine. It can be tiny, it can be smaller, so this is just another touch. So yeah, thank you so much guys for watching up till here. Please don't forget to give this video a huge and massive thumbs up, subscribe for more, please don't skip my ads, and yeah, see you all in my next video. Merry Christmas, have a blessed and wonderful celebration ahead. Bye bye.